Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing an LLM provider and obtaining an API key so you can call the model programmatically. Once done, create a project folder and a virtual environment, then install the provider SDK plus JSON, HTTP, and storage libraries. Make a config file now to store model name, context window, and local data paths. This avoids hard-coding secrets. You do this early to make development repeatable and to ensure your first API calls work without later reconfiguration. Next, implement a request layer that handles retries, rate limits, and batching so your assistant is robust under load. Then design prompt templates that separate system, user, and tool instructions. Make sure you keep a short-term memory buffer sized to the model's context window. Integrate simple tools like File I/O, a web search API, and function call handlers so the assistant can act. As you connect these pieces, test incrementally and log inputs and outputs to understand behavior and resource usage. To finish, deploy the assistant to a container or lightweight host and use environment variables or a secrets manager for keys to avoid leaks. Add monitoring and alerts, and version your prompts so you can roll back changes if performance drops. Make sure to secure endpoints, implement user rate limits, and define data retention rules. If things go wrong, check logs for failed API calls and context overflow first. Truncate or summarize memory and rerun tests. That single fix often resolves unexpected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.